GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find some links. It says join free Telegram, so go and join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the best prop firm and the brokers. Go sign up with them, start your demo account, start trading, because I have a reason to say that. I want you to trade with my signals in a separate account, okay? I don't want you to mix everything in your existing account. So go and sign up with this broker as per your country. And then, if you want to trade with my signals, so separate in a brand new account with the demo account or with the real money, okay, whatever, right? So that will make sure that you will know the accuracy of my signals or accuracy of other people you follow. So subscribe, like, do all that. It's all free. Join everything. And coming back to GBPUSD, starting with the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly is what we have. Okay, weekly we are up, strong uptrend. So no point doing anything here. Weekly doesn't make sense. Weekly doesn't tell us what's going to happen today, right? So for that, let's get back to daily. In daily, if you obviously know by now that if you're a manual experienced trader, then Euro USD and GBP USD more likely, not all the time. I would say 85% of these pairs work the same way. Like the Euro USD gonna go down, GBP USD also gonna go down, okay? So go ahead, watch my Euro USD video in which I have explained properly why Euro USD was going down or was supposed to go down from Monday onwards, which is happening right now. I am already in Euro USD trade, made 40 with profit while I top, okay? Anyways, so you can see in daily, we are trying to go down in GBP USD. So it's merely a pullback. I think so. So this pullback can, use your fib levels, okay? This pullback can still be for next 200 pips, okay? Who knows? Because you have to use your fib levels from here. This is the start of the uptrend. So from here till here, draw your fib levels in the uptrend. Then wait for the pullback in daily and then you enter long after the new red confirmation candle, okay? That might not happen. This could easily be a trend reversal, but only time will tell. So right now, as for me, I am not getting any entry signal in daily chart. So if that happens to me, I then look for 4 hour, okay? Remember, I'm a different kind of trader. Normally, people will look for entries in 4 hour. I only look for entry in 4 hour if I don't find the entry in daily. Okay, so right now I don't see the entry in daily. That's why I'm looking at the 4 hour. Okay, so let's get back to 4 hour. Here, I think we have the entry, quite possible. So use your fib levels from here till here. Then let the pullback happen. I think we will make another red candle. Okay. Yeah, so I think this candle, which is, almost doji or non-existent right now. So this candle doesn't even exist at this moment, okay? But I think we will make another red candle. And after that, once the US session is opened, then I think the next 4 hour candle will eat this previous red candle. And that's where you're supposed to enter long, okay? So wait for the pullback to complete, then the confirmation blue candle, and then enter long, and then voice to ratio, okay? If you want, then go and watch my previous Euro USD video, and you will be able to relate that analysis of Euro USD with the GBP USD. That will make more sense to you, okay? So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, and share the video. Sharing is very important because not many people have this kind of knowledge, and if they have, they don't give it for free, okay? So share, subscribe, like, join the Telegram, check out the broker, sign up, and start demo account and all that. So, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, make sure to subscribe and stay connected. Bye.